Hey everyone, just going to give a quick overview over my 92 F-150. It is a Flareside truck. This is one I've had for 15 years now. I've had it since 2010. It's on its third motor. This one here is a 312 cubic inch small block Ford on Holley EFI, Roush heads, forged crank, forged rods, forged pistons, whole 9 yards. Been sitting a couple weeks, haven't cranked it up, so I figured I'd give y'all a good cold start video on it. Granted, we are here in North Alabama where it's a little bit rainy right now. Not that big of a deal. Give me just a second, I'll open the hood and show you what it looks like under here. No edits, one-man operation, cell phone mafia here. This is kind of a pain in the butt because hood springs have been removed. It's getting set up for a fiberglass hood, fiberglass fenders eventually. But here it is. Nothing special to look at. Of course, you probably noticed this truck has had the AC and heat deleted. But once again, it's 312 cubic inch small block Ford. Roush iron heads. Holley EFIs on a Terminator X multi-port system. Got their throttle body set up on there. Pretty much a pretty basic combo. The only thing that's kind of unique to it, it does have a one-off Ed Curtis billet camshaft in it. It's been converted to E-fans. Let me see. So electric fans, nice alloy works, 4-core radiator. Kind of a hodgepodge thrown together sort of deal. I said it's a work in progress. I've had this truck since 2010. So still kind of a mess. All the wiring has been removed out of it. Truck sat for many, many years. And all the factory Ford wiring just started falling apart. So it's kind of hard to see. I have the glove box in it, but everything back behind here, it's got an American Auto Wire universal off-road harness. So the whole truck has been rewired front to back, headlight to tail light. A few other odds and ends. It's been swapped to a ZF5 5-speed. I blew up 2 or 3 of the Mazda transmissions. Ignore this mess. I don't drive it that often, so it's got a little cheapy Harbor Freight battery tender on it. But let me turn the power on and where's that? There it is. Turn the power on and I'll let y'all hear it, because it's pretty rowdy. It is obnoxiously loud. It's got 1 5/8 long tube headers on it, no mufflers, no cats, nothing like that. Side pipe exit. A little more info on it. It's got 6-inch hodgepodge lift kit put on it. Suspension wise, combination of skyjacker springs in the front, blocks in the rear. Their drop brackets, still stock radius arm. And the truck also does have a 3-inch body lift. One of the cool features about it is, being on the Holley EFI, found a company that makes a bezel. Kind of hard to see, but it uses the Holley 686 Pro Dash in it. So, MPI, cletus wheel, so on and so forth. And here we go. few other odds and ends on it. It's a 40-inch 1350 Toyos open country MTs on 17-inch Vision 389, 398 Manx beadlocks. It's geared 410s in the front, 410s in the rear. It's a little under geared right now. I am planning an axle swap here in the near future. But it's just a big project. I've had the truck since 2010. Slowly getting it worked out. He's come a long way. I bought this truck stock, did everything to it. It's just been a big labor of love, so to speak. So, I'm going to give you all a good sound clip of it. See how it runs. Maybe an update on that one. That one's a 2018 F150. It's got a Gen 6 3-liter Whipple on it. E85, big fuel pumps, big injectors, whole 9 yards. So, I don't drive these two that much. This is the daily here. So, see what y'all would think. We'll let her get up to temp. And y'all have a good day. Appreciate y'all checking in. Catch y'all in the next one.